चिंतन अन्नामलय का और भाव नहीं इस मन का। जीवन जीना मिट्टी का यही काम नहीं इस तन का।
Once I had a wonderful opportunity with my mother. My mother was alive then. We went to the ashram, and as we were sitting near his feet, one of his disciples, I suppose, came and said, "She is a singer. She is very near to the God, and she has a wonderful voice, and I want you to bless her, and she want to sing one or two bhajans in front of you." First my mother sang one bhajan. I sang one Sanskrit shloka, then one Kannada song, and one Marathi and one Hindi. In these 4 languages I sang, and I could get the complete fulfillment blessings from him. And he just lifted his hand and he kept his hand on my head. And he was just looking at me, then he said like this. He did it. So those blessings are even today. I'm 75, but I can perform for 3 hours, 4 hours continuously the concert. All over the world I have been performing, particularly the devotional songs and the Indian philosophical songs, where the Sakshatkara, that word is so much meaningful that we got complete fulfillment of our wants, our desire. All these things came one after the other, one after the other. And this very, very spiritual thinking and this thought continued from the time of the darshan of Maharishi Ji. And this Maharishi world is so much meaningful for his life, and we have no words. Even we become silent. We follow the method of mauna, and very little we talk, and very little we try to reach the path of Swamiji. And Maharishi Ji has blessed all over with all his disciples. He is in the mind, he is in the heart, he is everywhere, everywhere. Then we started doing some recordings with Srimati Natarajan and Mr. Natarajan Ji. The very first CD, with CDs only we started, then we made some of the 45 RPM records. The first CD which was started by the Maharishi Center, I was the one who composed the music, and I was the one who did the music. I sang. There were 3 people with me throughout the project when we were working for. One is Mr. Shivramaya, Sri Shivramaya. Throughout his life he's been giving the commentary, he's been talking about the Maharishi Ji. So this is how it went on. Then H.K. Narayan sang with me for some of the compositions, and H.K. Narayan, I made him countless compositions to sing for the LPs and for the EPs. The whole wonderful feeling, always the fulfillment was there inside. And as I went on composing, I have composed countless bhajans and countless shlokas. So many compositions I have composed for the Ramana Maharishi ashram, and we went on recording it. Later on, H.K. Narayan went on doing it for the ashram, and he sang really beautiful bhajans. This is how the Ramana Maharishi's thinking and thoughts and the feelings and the emotions, being so silent and mauna, with that mauna vrata, he gave so many good ideas, good thinking and good feelings and energetic work. We went on doing it, and lot of people sang for this also, and Mrs. Natarajan and her daughters, they also sang. This is how I have been attached and I have been associated with the Ramana Maharshi ashram for many years. And even today, in some of the devotional concerts, in the ashrams, in the temples, I do sing Ramana Maharishi's compositions. This is how my devotional and spiritual seva at the feet of Guruji, and that is how the power and the personality and the name becomes endless. And I sincerely pray for the God that let the Swamis, let the Rishis like this take birth in this country and bless all of us. And I'm really satisfied, and my life is a worthful life. That's what I could really say. It is the truth with my life. So all my pranams at the feet of Shri Ramana Maharishi Ji.
धरती जल और अग्नि पवन आकाश, नाशवंत ये चराचर में तू ही है अविनाश। भौतिक कण कण जीव मात्र में तेरा विमल प्रकाश, नहीं निराला मुझ में तू ही है हर सांस।
अग्नि पवन आकाश, नाशवंत ये चराचर में तू ही है अविनाश। धरती जल और अग्नि पवन आकाश, नाशवंत ये चराचर में
अरुणाचल तू आजा, तेरे दरस की प्यास। चरण कमल रख हमरे सिर पर हम है चरण के दास।
धरती जल और अग्नि पवन आकाश,